Hello! Welcome to Easy Learning with Teacher Roses. Today's lesson is Science 6, Quarter 1, Week 3, Lesson 6, Suspension as Heterogeneous Mixture. Objectives: describe suspension as heterogeneous mixture. Identify common suspension and their uses. Let's recall. Directions: identify the condition that will make each mixture dissolve faster. Write stirring, crushing, or temperature on the space provided before the number. Here are the answers. 1. Powdered seasoning and hot water. Answer: temperature. Increasing the temperature of the water will make the powdered seasoning dissolve faster. 2. Powdered chocolate and hot water. Answer: stirring. Stirring helps distribute the powdered chocolate throughout the hot water, allowing it to dissolve more quickly. 3. Sugar and water. Answer: stirring. Stirring sugar in water helps the sugar dissolve faster by evenly distributing the sugar particles throughout the water. Let's understand. Suspensions are heterogeneous mixtures where components can be clearly distinguished from each other and large enough to see with naked eye. A suspension is a mixture where solid particles are mixed with a liquid, but they don't dissolve. Instead, these particles are suspended in the liquid. Over time, these particles may settle at the bottom of the container if the mixture is left undisturbed. Characteristics of a suspension. 1. Visible particles. The solid particles in a suspension are large enough to be seen with the naked eye. 2. Settling. If left undisturbed, the solid particles in a suspension will settle over time. 3. Can be separated. The particles can be separated from the liquid using filtration or decantation. Examples of suspension. Antibiotics are suspensions. Particles of suspensions settle at the bottom. Some substances do not mix with water or in other liquids. They just settle out when left undisturbed. Medicines. Some liquid medicines are suspensions. You might have seen instructions to shake the bottle before use. That's because the medicine particles need to be evenly distributed in the liquid before you take it. Soil plus water. Gravel plus water. Orange juice with pulp. Muddy water. Orange juice with pulp. When you have orange juice with pulp, the pulp is a solid that doesn't dissolve in the juice, making it a suspension. You'll notice that the pulp can settle at the bottom if left for some time. Muddy water. As we discussed, muddy water is a suspension because the mud particles eventually settle at the bottom. Some suspensions used as medicines, food, decorative materials, and building materials. Examples: oil plus mashed peanut equals peanut butter. Oil plus water. Uses of suspension. Suspensions are used in various ways. 1. Medicines. Liquid medicines like antibiotics are suspensions, where the active ingredients are suspended in a liquid for easy consumption. 2. Food and beverages. Suspensions like orange juice with pulp or salad dressings add texture and flavor to foods and drinks. 3. Construction. Concrete is a suspension of cement, sand, and gravel in water, used to build strong structures. 4. Paint. Paint is a suspension of pigment in a liquid, used to color and protect surfaces. 5. Cosmetics. Products like calamine lotion or certain face masks are suspensions, used for soothing skin or treating specific conditions. Let's apply. Directions. Do the following activities with adult guidance and supervision. Answer the given questions below. Write your answer on the space provided. Materials: flour, clear glasses, sand, spoon, water. Procedure: Task 1. 1. Prepare a glass with half-filled water. 2. Add a spoonful of flour into the glass, then stir. 3. Observe and describe what happens. Answer the questions. Here are the answers. 1. Did the solid dissolve in water? Why? Answer: no. The solid flour did not dissolve in water. This is because flour is made up of larger particles that do not dissolve in water. Instead, the flour particles remain suspended in the water, making the mixture cloudy. 2. How many phases did you observe? Answer: 2 phases were observed. The flour and the water remain as distinct phases, with the flour suspended within the water. 3. What kind of mixture is shown in the activity? Answer: the mixture shown in the activity is a suspension. The flour particles are suspended in the water and will eventually settle at the bottom if left undisturbed. 4. What is a suspension? Answer: a suspension is a type of heterogeneous mixture where solid particles are mixed with a liquid but do not dissolve. The particles are large enough to be seen with the naked eye and can settle out of the mixture over time if left undisturbed. Let's analyze. Directions. Give 5 examples of suspension and their uses. Do them using the table below. Here are some examples of suspension and their uses. 1. Paint. Protect surfaces from damage like rust, moisture, and sunlight. Decorate by adding color and style to spaces. Ensure safety with reflective paint for better visibility on roads and in work areas. 2. Flour in water. Used in cooking as a thickening agent for soups, sauces, and gravies. 3. Calamine lotion. Used to soothe skin irritation, such as from insect bites or sunburn. 4. Salad dressing oil and vinegar with herbs. Adds flavor and texture to salads. 5. Concrete. It is essential in construction for building strong and durable structures. That's it for today's lesson, and I hope you learned something new today. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll get updated when I post my next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.